Hello everybody, this is Mr. Tan from Magical Maths channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about trigonometry. When there is a right angle triangle, normally we think of Pythagoras theorem. However, when there is a right angle triangle involve angles, then this is the time we use trigonometry. This is the moment you will learn about sine, cosine and tangent. Normally we represent them by the first three letters. Now, in a right angle triangle, the longest line is called hypotenuse, which we denote as h. Let's say this angle is theta. We call this line opposite, and we denote as O. Finally, this line is called adjacent, and we denote as A. Remember, O and A are depending on where the angle is. When I change theta to here, then the opposite line would be this, while the other line would be adjacent. So, the line opposite and adjacent are depending on where the angle is. We go back to the initial position. To memorize the formula of sine, cosine and tangent, we memorize in this way: SOH CAH TOA. Try to remember this, as this would greatly help in memorizing the formula. SOH. The S means sine theta. Remember, after sine, cosine or tangent, it must come with angle. The OH means O over H. That's the formula for sine theta. Is it okay for you? We go to the next one, which is CAH. C stands for cos theta, and AH represents A over H. Finally, TOA represents tangent theta equals to O over A. This is how SOH CAH TOA help in memorizing the formula. We go to some example for further explanation and application. To find the value of P, when the angle is here, this line would be your opposite, while this would be your hypotenuse. Remember, we only label the lines with given values or alphabets. Based on SOH CAH TOA, since only O and H appeared, it means only SOH can be applied. By applying the formula of sine theta, we know that sine 35 equals to P over 8. To find the value of P, we multiply both sides by 8, and P will be equivalent to 8 times sine 35, which is 4.59. This is how we use trigonometry to solve right angle triangle when it involves angles. We go to next example question for better understanding. In this question, they want us to find the length of QR. We assume the length of QR is x. When the angle is here, QR will be the opposite and QP will be adjacent. Based on SOH CAH TOA, since only O and A appeared, that means only TOA can be applied. By applying formula, we know that tangent 43 is equals to x over 10. Multiplying 10 on both sides, then you will know what to do next. Next, this example is a bit different because instead of asking us to find the length, it asks us to find the angle. We identify the sides first. If the angle is here, then this line will be H and this will be A. Based on SOH CAH TOA, since only A and H are given, CAH is applied. From the formula, we know that cos A is equals to 13 over 21. Then, how do we get A? Well, some students told me, oh, just like algebra, we can move the cos to the other side. When cos is multiplied A on the left side, we do the opposite, we divide by cos. If you proceed to press calculator this way, you will get nothing, because we don't have such thing called divide by cos. So, instead of divide cos, we have this thingy. You can call it cos minus 1, cos inverse or arc cos, any one you like. Just press the shift button on your calculator, then only press the cos button, followed by 13 over 21. That's all. And finally, A will be 51.75. Alright everybody, that's all about the concept of trigonometry. Here is some strategy and method for you when you encounter this problem. First, we identify and label the sides. Remember, only label the lines with given values or alphabets. Next, we decide whether sine, cosine or tangent can be applied based on SOH CAH TOA. Finally, we solve the question like algebra. In the next few seconds, I will put some exercise questions along with the answers. You ready for the answer? Here they are. Hope this video will help you in understanding this topic. Leave comment so that I can improve in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.